Unveiling the secret to perfect cooking. Simmer until tender. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's both simple and profound in the culinary world. Simmer until tender. This phrase is a cornerstone in cooking instructions, yet it packs layers of meaning that we'll unfold together. Whether you're an English language learner aiming to expand your vocabulary or a budding chef curious about cooking techniques, this video is tailored just for you. Let's embark on this flavorful journey together and discover the essence of cooking with patience and precision. First off, let's break down what it means to simmer. Simmering is a cooking method that involves maintaining a liquid just below its boiling point, typically around 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 205 degrees Fahrenheit, 82 degrees Celsius to 96 degrees Celsius. You'll notice small bubbles forming at the bottom of the pot and gently rising to the surface, but not the vigorous bubbles associated with a full boil. This gentle cooking process is key to enhancing flavors and textures without the harshness of boiling. It's the secret to soups that soothe the soul and sauces that sing with depth. Moving on, let's talk about the term tender. In culinary speak, tender refers to the softness and ease with which food can be eaten. It's that perfect state where meat falls off the bone, vegetables yield to a fork, and fruits melt in your mouth. Achieving tenderness is about patience and care, allowing the food to transform at a gentle pace, preserving its nutrients and flavors. When a recipe instructs to cook until tender, it's guiding you to look for that precise moment when the food has reached its peak in texture and taste. Now, let's combine these concepts. When a recipe says to simmer until tender, it's essentially instructing you to cook the food at a low temperature, just below boiling, until it reaches the desired softness. This method is especially beloved for dishes like stews, braises, and certain vegetable preparations, where the slow melding of flavors and textures can create culinary magic. It's a technique that underscores the importance of time in cooking, reminding us that some things cannot be rushed if they are to be enjoyed at their best. And there you have it, friends, the delightful simplicity and complexity of simmer until tender. This phrase is more than just a set of cooking instructions. It's a philosophy that champions patience, gentleness, and attentiveness in the kitchen. As you continue your journey in English language learning and culinary exploration, remember that the best dishes are often those that invite you to slow down and savor the process. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video has not only expanded your vocabulary but also inspired you to experiment with this gentle art of cooking. Until next time, happy learning and happy cooking!